strings and how to use strings in Java. But before we do that, I want to show you guys, if you hit that icon here and type extension pack for Java, this thing over here will appear, and if you add that, it's basically like an extension to VS Code that allows you to write Java code really fast, and it provides things like auto correction, autofill, autocomplete, all those things. So make sure to get that. Uh, Once you have that, we're gonna go ahead in our new class, uh, and I have my main function here. And basically, a string is a sequence of characters, like any sequence of characters inside of quotations. And we already took a look at that in the variables lesson before. So I will go ahead and create a new string here. I would call it, I don't know, like my name again. Then I will put some person's name here. Now we can do cool stuff that I want to show you guys with this string in Java. So one thing is, let's actually first just print that string to the screen. Can you see now? It actually auto-completes and gives me all those options because I installed that extension pack for Java. So make sure to get that because it really helps getting things faster. So yeah, if I save my file and if I came here to the terminal and ran my program here, I should get the name. But now watch if I added a dot here, and a dot basically allows me to access all the other functions that I can do with that string. So one thing that is really important is the length. And I need, because this is a function, and again, that would make sense later, I need to add parentheses after that. But if I do that, hit save and run my program again, now I get a number which is 8 that tells me how many characters I do have in my string. So if I count those are actually 8. So the length function is really useful. And again, you access this function by typing the name of your string, then dot, then that function, which is length. Another cool function that I want to show you guys is to uppercase. If I save that, run my program again, this gives me the same string, but all in uppercase, as you guys can see. There's also two lowercase. There's a bunch of other functions actually that are really useful that we can use. One other thing that I want to show you guys is, let's see, equals. So equals is really important because, again, it's missing something here. And we should give it another string. So what I mean by that, if I create another name, and let's say this is a little bit different than this one, and I give it my name dot equals the other name, it's gonna check for me to see whether these two names are equal or not. So obviously, because I changed this one, I should get false here. But if I give it the same string again, I should get true here. This function is really important because we're going to use it later on when we're dealing with conditions to check whether two functions are equal or not. So yeah, there's a bunch of other functions that you can use with the strings. One other thing that I want to show you guys is how to access basically one character from that string. So if you type the name of your string, then square brackets, then let's say 2. Uh, it's giving me an error here because it says the type of extension must be an array. Yeah. We're gonna actually use character at and give it the index. Let's say 0. And if I run this, I got J because 0 simply is the first letter or the first character in that string. And because I have J here, it's going to give me J. Now if I give it 3, what character do you guys think I should get? I got N because again, even though that's the 4th character, it starts counting from 0 actually. This is 0, 1, 2, 3. So the N is going to be my 3 here. So this one is really, really important too.